Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over user roles in ClickUp. So to get to this area, you're going to click the circles down at the bottom. Oops, my face is in the way. Click at the bottom, and then you're going to go to Settings, and then you can go to People. So this is where I'm just going to go over it first. So there's four options: guest, member, admin, and owner. And you can see this broken down here. And if you want to change them, I'm going to show you how. So basically a guest get invited directly to folders, lists, tasks, and also depends on your subscription level. So if you watch the previous videos, I talk about unlimited plan, the business plan, and then the differences between the two. But so depending on what you have, if you have the business plan, you're able to have permissions for guests. And so, excuse me, so you can add them to folders, lists, and tasks. And then guests don't have access to spaces. So you'll have to add them to, let's say you want to add them to different folders or lists that are in different spaces. You'll have to add them to each of those. They don't just automatically have access to them. They can't edit permissions. They can't view any reporting or the box view, which is just another view inside of ClickUp. They can't edit tags, and you can set custom fields to whether you want them to view them or not view them, and I'll show that to you in a minute. And then if you have members, so those are the people that you pay for to be part of your platform. They get access to all public spaces. They can create spaces, folders, lists, tasks, and they can see everyone that's on the workspace that they're in. And they can share things with guests. So they have a lot more permissions because they're a paid member. And they can also set different spaces or folders, lists, or tasks to private as well. If that is, they're automatically able to do that. And that gives them a little bit more flexibility in their role. For an admin, that is someone that can add new members. They can manage permissions, remove existing members. They can import, export, and manage integrations inside of ClickUp. They can also manage billing, user roles, which is kind of what we're going over now, imports, and like I said, integrations and other workspace settings. And then the owner has all of those things, plus they're able to delete workspaces and transfer ownership, and they can manage spaces as well. So you can, once you've added people to your team, you can change whether they're, if they're an admin, but you want to change them to a guest or a member, you can do so here. You can also change guests into a paying member or an admin, and then you'll be charged at a prorated rate if you add them as a member and admin. Both member and admin are paid. So those are the four user roles. So again, you have the guest, the member, admin, and owner. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for any additional help or support in getting set up in ClickUp, getting projects set up in it, or just understanding how to use it better, feel free to book a free discovery call using the link below, and make sure you subscribe to catch my future videos. Thank you.